Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. The new set's released today, that's the 1st of March 2023 at 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase the sets as one big bundle, that is exclusive to the Clearly Besotted store. So that's all of the sets plus free gifts and a 15% discount off of the price. But you can also purchase the set separately from Clearly Besotted and also selected retailers worldwide. And I will have a list of those in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and the samples that I have made as a design team member. So the first set here is the Beary Beeutiful corners. It is so cute. So I absolutely love that the bears and the bees are friends. There is another set coming up along the same lines. So this set here has two corner images. So you've got the one there with the honeycomb and the bee, and then one here with the honeycomb, the flowers, the little bears and the little honey pot there as well. There is a separate bee holding some honey, and there's some fun sentiments, things like we belong together, we're meant to be happy, be mine, you're my honey. So a fun set that I think is kind of, the sentiments at least are geared towards kind of love, but actually the set itself can be used for lots of different occasions. So this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the corner image there, coloured that with Copic markers and fussy cut that out with scissors, and then I did some distress inking in the background to add a little bit of white splatter, and then popped the image on top. And then the sentiment there is from the Spelling Bee set, which was released a little while ago. It's one of my favourites, and it's got some really fun bee sentiments in it as well, some kind of more generic ones. So I did end up using this set twice this month actually, because I really love the sentiments in it, and I just wanted like a general sort of like happy birthday but along the bee line. Next up is the Sundae Funday set, and if you like ice creams and sweet treats like that, you'll love these sets this month. There is lots of different ones. So this one here has got all of the critters there with their sundaes. I mean, the sundaes are bigger than the critters, so it shows how yummy they must be. So there is a separate little bear there holding the spoon as well, which I think is absolutely adorable. Some fun sentiments that work alongside the images. So hope your birthday is full of ice cream or treats. Hope your birthday is as sweet as you are. You've got hello, it's your birthday. Really fun set that can be used in lots of different ways. Perfect for birthdays, but can be used, like I said, for lots of different occasions. Extra little things like sprinkles and hearts and stars and cherries. So yeah, really fun set. This is the card that I made using that set. Kept it very simple, which just stamped out the image there, coloured that with Copic markers and fussy cut that out. And then I just did some kind of slight distress inking in the background, just to be able to create like a background so that it automatically made it so that he could kind of be sitting on something. And then just stamped out the sentiment there at the bottom, added in a few white gel pens, kind of sprinkles and stars. Next up is the Icy Corners set, so another fun set. The two corner images here with the ice creams, and then there's critters that can kind of be hanging off the ice creams. They could be amongst them. You can actually use these critters with lots of other sets as well, which is really fun. You could do lots of different things with it. Again, some fun sentiments that can mix and match. So you've got like, have a fab birthday, I love you more than ice cream. Again, hearts, stars, little sprinkles, a little cherry there as well. Next up, back to the bears and the bees. This is Let's Be Friends. so cute. So there is a separate bee image and a separate bear image, and then the other ones are bees and bears together as friends. And then there is a kind of scene image here as well. Again, some sentiments that can mix and match, which is always good. So like, hello honey, you've got be mine, happy bee day honey, you are very beautiful inside and out, thanks very much. So yeah, really great set. Again, I think can be used for lots of different occasions. This is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the kind of scene image there, masked that off, did a little bit of distress ink for the sky and the grass, and then added in some dots with Copic markers just to add a little bit of extra detail, and then coloured the images with Copic markers. I stamped and cut out the separate bee there holding the flower. I just thought he looked quite cute. And then the sentiment again is from that spelling bee set, because I just wanted kind of like a generic sentiment that I could use for lots of different occasions. Back to the ice creams. This is the Balloon Bunch Treats set. So a fun image here at the bottom that you can use in lots of different ways, with the ice creams there and the cone kind of like upside down. And then there are some balloon ice creams as well. And then again, some critters that can be hanging from the balloons. They could be jumping in the ice cream. You could do lots of different things with this set. Fun sentiments again: you're fab, you are so cool, hi sweetie. Yeah, just a really fun set. I didn't get a chance to use it this month, unfortunately, but I'm hoping to soon, because yeah, it's really fun set. Great, especially for birthday cards. And then last but not least is the Blowing Balloons set. Another really fun set, something very different, I think. So there are some bears and then also monkeys holding balloon sculptures. So the one here with the snail, the one with the flower, one with the butterfly. There are also some balloon flowers, and again some sentiments that you can kind of mix and match together. You've got like enjoy your party, for you, with love, to my cheeky monkey, have fun. So yeah, really, again, I think the sets this month in particular are quite fun, that you can use in lots of different ways. And so this is the card that I made using that set. I didn't necessarily emphasize that they were balloon sculptures. I just kind of did these ones as flowers. So again, like I say, I think you can use it in different ways. I think they kind of just look a bit like whimsical kind of flowers, although if you wanted them to be balloons, they definitely could be balloons. So I stamped out the image there at the back, in the background, colored that with Copic markers, and then stamped out the little monkey holding the flower as well. Coloured that with Copic markers and fussy cut that out and just popped that on top with some foam tape. And then the sentiment there is from that set, and I just heat embossed that. So yeah, really fun release this month. Something I think in some ways for like everyone and lots of different occasions. Links to the products that I shared will be listed in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.